Number 3, optimizing public finances. This will be central for stability and sustained growth. We aim at bringing the public debt and deficits under control through fairer and improved tax collection and prudent spending. Once again, this is not what is under plans. अगर हम पहले 5 महीने देखें of this fiscal year, the debt servicing cost of the government of Pakistan has come down significantly. ये इस साल भी हमें इंशाल्लाह help करेगी during this fiscal year, and during the next fiscal year, it'll further help us in creating space for the social sectors and other places where these funds should be allocated, inshallah, going forward. The state-business relationships will be aligned with incentives for competitiveness, export orientation, and a level playing field. The key elements of this pillar will be as follows. Reform the tax policy for more equitable distribution of tax burden while we go for our tax to GDP ratio of 13.5%. तो इसमें अब हम कर ये रहे हैं कि there's going to be a separate tax policy unit which is in the process of being created, which will independently report to Ministry of Finance. So policy को हम separate कर रहे हैं from collection, क्योंकि एक जो हमारा issue रहा है वो issue ये रहा है कि budget के वक्त we make the math work. We forget about कि जो continuity होनी चाहिए tax policy में और जो investors के साथ जो हमने वादे किए हुए हैं उन सब चीज़ों को हम भूल जाते हैं because we need to make the math work. ये जो tax policy unit है, this will be manned and womaned by people from the government and the private sector, ताकि हम इसको इस basis पे आगे लेके जा सकें, ताकि policy continuity को हम implement कर सकें. And the next one is tax leakages which will be plugged by the use of data analytics. अगर आपने 26 दिसंबर की press conference देखी हो जो Minister of State, myself और Chairman FBR lead कर रहे थे, तो उसमें हमने वो specific use cases present किए हैं, how data analytics is not only going to help identification, but also plug the leakages in the system. Privatization process will be accelerated. We have 2 assets in play at the moment and others being added to the pipeline. Right sizing of the federal government will be speeded up further to cut costs and boost efficiency. और जो 18th amendment के पास जो devolution है, there are certain areas and departments which should very much go into the provinces, और हम उसको यहाँ federal government में लेकर बैठे हैं, no more. So उसमें cabinet ने already 10 ministries or attached departments पे वो decisions ले लिए हैं, and we are in the process of implementation. During the current fiscal year, inshallah, we will complete this entire process with respect to the right sizing of the federal government. Public-private partnership framework will be enhanced, especially in the infrastructure space. Shah Sahab yahan baithe hain. Government of Sindh has done a fantastic job in terms of the PPP model, and I compliment you, sir, with respect to that.